Mendeley is a reference management system where you can manage your references and in a Word document, like when you write your thesis or when you write your any paper, then you need to mention the references. And Mendeley has made it very easy for you. To start with the Mendeley, you need to launch your web browser and search for the Mendeley. It's mendeley.com. Find it out. And let's go on the Google also so that it will be easy for you. You'll see that there's mendeley.com download desktop. So what you can do, you can directly go to the Mendeley desktop, this link, download button, and you'll see that there are options for download Mendeley desktop for macOS, Windows, and Linux. Also, you need to create one account before it. Just create account from this, fill up few entries, and then you'll be up. And download this application. So once you have downloaded it, after that, install this application. And after installation, let's see what will happen. This is Mendeley. I'm talking about Mendeley desktop. It will ask for the username and password that you have created there. Enter the username and password. And let's sign in. As you will sign in, you'll see that Mendeley desktop has opened, and your all documents are that I have uploaded in the time of last 5 years, 6 years. It is available. Also, it provides you a citation plugin for the Microsoft Word, so you can install it now. You can click install now from here. It is popping it up automatically, and it is installed. It says that it is installed. In case if this doesn't come to you, you can go to the tools and you can install over here my MS Word plugin. It is right now showing uninstalled. That means that it is installed already in the Word document. Let's see that is it available. Let's open the Word. Okay. In the Word document, you'll see that there is a references in the tab. There's a reference tab, and you will find after installation, you'll find this over here. You'll find this insert citation, merge citation over here. And this you can see that this is a Mendeley sign, open Mendeley. And this is basically all connected with your Mendeley desktop. So we have documents over here. Whatever document you have, you can come and you can put it over here. These are all documents available during my research, and it is downloading actually. I've downloaded just now, so that's why it is downloading all my research papers that I've used so far. The best part is that you will never lose your document. So once you have uploaded the document over here, this document will be available all the time. You don't have to worry about in case if your computer stopped working, then also you don't have to worry about whatever you have studied in the Mendeley. It will stay there. It will save, and it will keep always. So you can use it on online, and always you can download the Mendeley desktop app, and you'll find all the documents. You can see that it is downloading files. So 46% is done. It is downloading more files. Okay. So how we can use it? You can create a folder. Let's say I'll create a folder, machine learning. Okay, and basically this is about categorizing. You can see that it is one folder has been created, machine learning. It is about categorizing your papers into different areas. So otherwise you can upload it directly over here, or you can upload it directly over here. So this is another view where you will find all of your documents available in the entire Mendeley directory, and this is specifically to identify that what you have about machine learning. If you have specifically put any paper in it, so you can add the files and the folders based on your requirement, any file or folder. So you can use it. You can use this to upload. Okay, and after uploading, the document will come. I'll show some other document. After uploading, the document will come, and you will see that the document will come in this way. A survey. It automatically takes this a survey. This is a paper name. This is the author name. You don't have to write this, and 90% it is correct. And but for the 10%, this will not catch, and you have to put it explicitly, and that's also worked. And this is abstract, this is DOI, this is URL. It automatically takes everything from the research paper. You'll see this is a research paper, but just you have uploaded and it will automatically take this from your document. You don't have to write anything in this. And if you feel, um, uh, one second. So here, what you can do, you can actually read the paper. You can mark it like this is. You start marking. Okay, you have marked. You have marked this. This also. This is a highlighter. You can mark from the highlighter. Okay, whatever you want, you can mark it. Highlight text. And in case if you want to make a note of what you have understood from this place, like you can take a note. This is about the introduction of the paper. This is about your note that you have understood, because in research we need to write what we have understood from this paragraph. So in that scenario, you can put it over here, and you can leave the this note will be here always, and you can go ahead with another note if you want at some other place. You can see that suppose you want to put a note over here, and that's it. So when you're done, when you did this, it is, you can see the notes are coming in different places. So I've already used it before for the notes, so it is available. So all of your highlights and the notes, and then if you need to share it with your colleague or with your PhD mentor or guide, so you can export, go to the export PDF with annotations. Okay, this you can export this document. This document is going in my directory. Open export folder. You'll see that document that I've just exported. You can see that all of my highlights and the notes are available in the document. You can see it. And if you want to read the note, this is a blank note. This paper, this is about the introduction of the paper. There are many notes I've created, so that's why it is the many blank notes are here. It's talking about data sources. This is a good article. So all of your highlighted text and the notes are available in the PDF document. So your colleague from which you want to share, with whom you want to share your paper, he can understand, he or she can understand what you have understood, and you can share your uh, research with him. Okay, and you can close it after reading it. So when you have closed it, that's good. You can go ahead with another paper. But when you come back to the same paper, you'll see the same kind of this will be remain the same state. Wherever you highlighted the text, it will be remain same. So this makes things easier always. So let's come to the Word document, and we'll understand how it will work in the Word document. We'll start writing the text. I've learned, and let's talk about the introduction. This is about machine learning and the deep learning. And here, suppose at this point you want to give any references. So you can go to there and you can type insert citation. Okay, my computer wants access of it. So here I got the access. No, let me do it again. Insert citation. Now, whatever I'll type, I can type that in paper name, I can type the author name over here and the year in my library. This is my library, and if I have any specific folder, I can go with that. And this is my library. Let me talk about machine learning, and it has showed me many other things. Cost base, let's suppose Yang 211. Okay, so citation has been formatted. So right now is it is an interesting topic, and also I learned about reinforcement learning. So again, I want to give one. I want to give one citation over here. Let me insert the citation, and let me type in a paper, and let's take this, and this is the okay. And again, I'll do this again. I'll go ahead now. What do you see? That this is an important. You can see that the references are coming in this format. And suppose if you're this is an APA format, and suppose you are studying, you're writing a paper for the journal who accept the IEEE format. So simply you can go to the style and you can change the format of it, and see that it has automatically changed everything. So okay, suppose if you think that you have left something in the starting and you want to add, and you want to cite. It's because IEEE format says that every reference should come in the order. Like first reference should be said as a one, because and we have already received the one over here and two over here. But when you add any reference over here, suppose if I'm talking about machine learning, I'll add one reference over here also. So what Mendeley will do, Mendeley will make this one, and it will edit this as a 2 and the 3. You'll see this. One is now this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this is how you actually do not need to remember that where you have used one. And suppose if you are using the same reference again, I'm using the same reference. Let me take the same reference. I guess we have taken. No, I haven't taken this. Okay, let me check what references I have taken. So I'll take that. Now, in the reference section, when you want to add all where you have all the references available, you can put your all references here in just one click, and you'll see the button insert bibliography. So all of the references that you have given over here will be inserted over here. Okay. So this was the reference optimal scheduling. I'll add this. So you can see that it is already available right now, and this is all in format. This is all in format. And let me take the reference of the Mr. Guo, who was optimal scheduling. Let me take the reference. Guo, 2018, optimal scheduling for VM and queuing. Yeah. Oh, I got. You can see that the one is over here. So this reference I added, it is on the same reference, so it takes the same reference. So it's a small two-line code or two-line text. So when you're writing a paper of 10 pages or 12 pages, 24 pages, so in that scenario, you're remembering that you have cited this paper earlier also, and you have to put the same citation and reordering all the citations and numbers. This is a very big overhead, and Mendeley makes things easier for you. So in that scenario, you can see that how Mendeley is working. And in case if you miss this bibliography, you can whenever if you have updated anything, you can insert the bibliography again. Oh, my cursor was there. Insert the bibliography again, and it will add all the bibliography. And suppose if you want to change your um, citation style, so you can change that also. See that everything has been changed from reference to over here and everywhere. So if you're writing a paper and your paper has got rejected from one journal, and you are submitting it in another journal, in that scenario, and you're submitting it in another journal, in that scenario, you can actually uh, change the reference and change the citation style as per the journal, and you can submit it in no time. So this saves you a lot of your time, and you can save this document. You can come down to the Mendeley library. That's why whenever you add a paper, just make sure that these things, you just to check these things once, and you're good to go. 99%, 90% it is good. And for some time when there are some papers which do not have any details in it, so it will not take. So you have to write it manually. So make sure you write in the same manner, and searching any article in it, it's very easy. You can search from the bar, and also you can filter it by authors, that how many authors you have currently in your um, file filter by author keywords. These are the author just for this folder, this recommendation system folder. If you go to the all, this is a lot of authors list you can see, you can actually find. So Mendeley makes things easier for everyone who is currently doing any research. So I hope you will like this video, and uh, I wish you all the best with your research using Mendeley. Use Mendeley and make your research easier. Thank you.